Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Ian.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Tuesday, October 15th. Please stand and join us listening to the anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
Happy birthday to you if your birthday is October 13th through 19th. Come to the main office and choose your birthday sucker from pack.
Red Cross Club members, there is a mandatory meeting today in the library after school, 2:20. Please be sure to fill out your permission forms.
Are you interested in representing your fellow students and being part of school decisions? If so, come to the main office to pick up an application for Student Input Committee. Applications are due in the main office by 3 p.m. on October 25th. Did you know THS has an aerobics class? Here's T-Wolf TV's Maddie Villa with the story.
Hey T-Wolves, I'm Maddie and I have aerobics A1. Let's go check out what they're doing today.
Hi, my name is Miss Bretzing and I'm the aerobics teacher here at Timpanogos. Aerobics is a semester-long class and we do activities like Zumba, Pilates, step aerobics, HIIT, spinning, yoga. It's just super fun, and we love to have anybody that wants to take the class come on in. The kids get to set goals, and it's so fun to watch them as they work out and they accomplish their goals by the end of the semester, and you just get a really great workout. So if you want to get in shape and get ready for summer or get ready for Christmas, come take the aerobics class.
My favorite part about PE is probably Zumba because I love to get moving and I love to dance, so that's probably my favorite part about it.
Favorite thing about aerobics class is just all the fun that we have, even if you look super stupid dancing, we still have fun.
Yeah, I just like how it's like a no-judgment zone and like we can all just like work out and go at our own pace and we just have a good time.
For more info on aerobics class, see Ms. Bretzig in room 109.
Our next after-school driver's ed class is beginning today. There are a few opening spots left to sign up. If you need more information about this class, please see Miss Merrill in the counseling office or speak to Mr. Tanner in room 602.
Seniors, Sterling Scholar applications are due this Wednesday, October 16th by 2:45 p.m. in Mrs. Greer's room, room 614. For applications or questions, contact Ms. Greer. What would any high school event be like without cheer? Pretty quiet and boring. Here's T-Wolf TV's Ali Misbach with more on how THS Cheer prepares for each event they perform at.
Hey T-Wolves, I'm Allie. I'm on the cheer team and I have it B8, so let's go see what's up.
Our motivation to cheer is the football team and the basketball team and all the other sports we cheer for. We like to hype them up or get them excited during the game. They probably can't even hear us most of the time, but it's fun to do, and the student section is awesome. We love coming out to the games and seeing all the students that come.
It's a great day to be a T-Wolf!
Thanks THS Cheer for countless hours of preparation and for all you do at Timpanogos.
PTSA is excited to bring Battle of the Bands back again this year. Information pack will be available in the main office after fall break.
Please help Isaac Nuttall as he is working to help internationally displaced people in Somalia and refugees in the Granite School District. Check out the display table and the commons to see what food items are needed. Then bring what you can to help and put it in the bin on the display table. Thank you.
Don't forget to attend the band concert tonight at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. It's going to be amazing and it's free. And good luck to our fall sports teams today. Girls soccer is in second round of state tournament against Alta here at home. Volleyball travels to Orem and softball football takes on Timpanogos here at home. Grab your friends and come support our teams. Go T-Wolves. For T-Wolves TV, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Ian.
Remember T-Wolves, we love
We
you
love
all.
you all.